me guess. You thought about starting something new, but your schedule is already packed, right? Between work, family, and just trying to breathe, there is no extra time. But here's the truth. No time does not mean no options. In this video, I'm going to show you how busy parents are able to earn an income online around their family schedule and how you can carve out just 2 hours a day with a proven system that finally lets you be a present parent and not a slave to their job or bills. See, I used to feel stuck, waking up early, rushing to work, running errands after, doing homework, cooking, dinner. And by the time I got a moment to myself, I was exhausted. And the thought of adding something else to my plate was impossible. I didn't want another hustle. I just wanted a breathing room. I wanted to stop surviving and start living. But most importantly, I wanted to be there for my kids. Not just financially, but emotional and physical too. And that's when I found the Legacy Builders program. Honestly, this is nothing like any other opportunities that I've ever tried before. It wasn't about working longer hours or becoming a marketing expert online overnight. It was designed for busy people like me, like you, with parents with limited time, full-time workers with kids and responsibility, people looking for a way to build an income around their family and not instead of it. And here's what shocked me. I didn't need 10 long hours. I just needed 2 focus hours, and that's it. So let me break it down for you what made this system actually work for me. Number 1 is the automated system. I didn't have to do everything manually. I wasn't glued to my phone or my computer 24/7. My automated system worked for me 24/7. Number 2 is the step-by-step training. It was perfect for beginners, even if you're not techie. Number 3, no monthly fees. You don't have to worry about your accounts being drained while you haven't made any money yet. And number 4, a supportive community. Knowing that I'm not alone in this and knowing that I can get the help I need with no monthly costs was a big bonus for me. And I could work when my kids are asleep, in practice, or even during my lunchtime. And a little tip, if you can scroll on TikTok or binge watch a show for 2 hours, you already have the time. See, it's not about adding more. It's about using what you already have smarter. I mean, look at Paula over here. She is a mom with little kids and she was struggling. She was a door dasher and she was able to make in 4 days how much she would have made as a dasher, and all because she had a system in place that worked for her so she could still be able to enjoy quality time with her kids. And here's another member of our community who also celebrated win because of the same system that he was able to follow and was able to earn while on their way to their part-time job. I mean, we all have 24 hours a day. The reason why they're able to see success is not because they had more hours, it's because they had the right system in place. So if your life is already full, I get it, but you don't have to wait for the perfect time. See, it's not about having more time. It's about doing the right thing even with the little time you have. And this system, it gives you the direction, the tools, and the support to finally make progress. So now all you have to do is comment ready below. I will show you exactly how I got started by simply using just my phone, Wi-Fi, and just 2 hours a day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing. Your kids are watching and your freedom is waiting.